Today we talk about how can you disable private profile on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on privacy, just click on it. You come to next step here, you come here to private profile, and you click in this sign here or this color. So then you click here on okay. Then like you see here, your uh, you switch your profile to public profile here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.